morning, friends. Happy Monday and Happy New Year. I'm Marcy with Scho Fit Nutrition, and this is my Monday vlog. I'm gonna start out showing you a new recipe, and if you stay through the video, I'm gonna show you how to win one of 100 bottles of Scho Fit Superior Collagen Full Spectrum Complete. It's a mouthful, hard for me to say. I'm never gonna memorize it because I don't need to. I just know it works. So I'll talk about that later. If you like what I'm doing for women over 50, or maybe you're not over 50, but you're stuck with your health and you're hearing all this different information from all over the place because I know it's out there, because I research all of it, subscribe, come back and see what I have to say. You might like it. So let's make a pumpkin walnut breakfast this morning, okay? So with that, I'm gonna do steel cut oats. We do not need grain to heal our body. Just let me say that again. So when you're eating that sandwich, you're eating that pasta, whatever it is that is a grain, not made with a bean or not made with, a vegetable substance, we don't need it. However, steel cut oats are acceptable on a healthful program. And so I did some overnight oats. It's really, really easy. All I did is fill this with oatmeal and then level it with water and leave it in the refrigerator overnight, and voila, I have oatmeal. So I take a serving out. Already got some pumpkin on here. Oh no, can't do that. I'm not an editor, as you see. This won't be edited. Okay. My friends asked me years ago why I didn't have a cooking show, and I told them it would have been called Cooking Gone Wrong. And it all makes sense, doesn't it? So I did a couple scoops of my steel cut oats. We don't measure on my program. I hate measuring, hate calorie counting. I counted calories for like the first 50 years of my life, and I'm never doing it again. So. And then I want my pumpkin warmed up. I'm gonna put a nice big blob, maybe a couple blobs of pumpkin in there, and I'm gonna warm this up. And Elvis came to say hi. If you're gonna get in my way, you gotta say hi. No. Oh, who's that pretty cat? Oh, y'all look at the pretty cat. Okay, go on. Go on. So, I have pumpkin a couple times a week. Super good for your gut health. We actually give it to our cat every day. You're good for our cat's gut health. You don't give a lot to a cat. We give them like maybe a half a tablespoon twice a day. So I'm putting most of the things I normally put in my breakfast. Sometimes I do even put in chocolate or vanilla protein. I'm gonna have a protein drink later, so I'm not going to put my protein in my breakfast this morning. But I will put all of my seeds, because these are our gut and brain health. I never go without these. So chia seeds, just a scoop, tablespoon. Or if you want to, do two. And flaxseed meal. I still have to get some flaxseed. And I'm watching a cat antagonize the puppy. Alrighty. So flaxseed, scoop. Hemp hearts. You can put hemp hearts in your salad. Some people say put in your yogurt. I don't believe in eating yogurt, so I do not do that. Alrighty. So I use steel cut oats. Just thought I would show you that. I'm still gonna put my berries in because I think berries are like the cat's meow. Super full of antioxidants, anthocyanins, all kinds of things to help you fight illness, disease, keep your pH balance. Berries do all kinds of awesome things. So I bought a cup of berries in there too. Put some walnuts on top. And I've had people say that's a lot of work for a healthy breakfast. Next time you go to the doctor really sick, think about the 2 minutes I just took to throw breakfast together. It's really not that much work. And I've been sick one time in 6 years, and I really believe it was stress because of a lot going on in my world. So then you do your non-dairy milk to liking. Some people like it drier, some people like it runny. And voila, you've got tons of great gut health. So you're working on your gut biome. All kinds of awesome stuff going on here that your body knows what to do with. So that's the thing with any recipe that I put out there. Your body doesn't go, what the heck am I supposed to do with what you just put in me? And then it does like a makeshift job. And it does that day after day when you keep eating that stuff, and then all of a sudden it breaks down, and that's when you get sick. So, putting all my stuff away. All right, now we're gonna do our Monday vlog, and it's New Year. Let's see, Marcy, let's see, you can see the cat. And we have the puppy in a crate, so he's not jumping all over me right now. And my Mr. Sexy is my husband's birthday, and he's out shoveling snow. I'm not the one that made him do it. He made him do it. So anyway, I wrote down a few things I want to make sure I cover today. And don't forget, today's program is brought to you by Scho Fit Nutrition. So today we're going to talk about resolutions and accountability. Okay, and I'm back after taking the dog out to go pee-pee because he was telling me something. Kind of figured he might have been. So resolutions and accountability. What is Marcy's resolution? I'm not a fan of even the word resolution, and I'll tell you why. If you think you need to fix something in your world, why are you waiting until January 1st? And we all do these resolutions January 1st. I start resolutions different times of the year. I call them goals. So, what are my resolutions and accountability? To help more people in business and health. A lot of people over 50 struggle at both. And if you're not in that place, God bless you. So, my personal changes that I've been working on, and I did not start them yesterday, I started them a while ago. I'm trying to back off on coffee. I'm not going to give up coffee. I think coffee can be good for you, but 27 cups a day, that's my exaggeration number. So you're going to get used to hearing that number. I probably drink, I don't even count how many I drink. I just keep doing it. And so I want to back down to 3 or 4 cups a day. And, but I'm not going to completely give it up because I think that would be ludicrous. And I need to drink more water. So this is going to help me drink more water by drinking less coffee. What I've been doing is between my cups of coffee, I fill my little Yeti cup here with water. And because I've gotten in the habit of, I just reach for that green cup and dump it in my mouth. So, and I also bought this a while ago. I'll have this in the description if you think it's absolutely adorable. I do, and it even comes with a strap. So I can't wait to take this on vacation because we do like these 10-mile walks when we go on vacation. And this is gonna be awesome. Might have to get one half the size because this will be kind of heavy to carry a gallon. But this is like a gallon jug, and it's pretty, and it's in my face, and it reminds me to drink water. And it comes in leopard print. So, you know, I'm probably gonna get one of those. So, what are you trying to give up? I would love for you to tell me in the comments, like what your resolutions are, what you want to change this year, what you want to see different in yourself, and how you're going about it. A tip to go about it. So I, as an example, not patting myself on the back, I have this counting thing. So I like have to like count how many days things happen, and so it's kind of like an OCD. I'm not belittling anybody with OCDs at all, I promise. I deal with this number thing, and if I use this number thing to my advantage, it can be really good. So I'm on week 201 with no missed workouts. And how did that even happen? That wasn't just I resolved to do that and made it happen. When I decided to go to the gym 201 weeks ago, my goal was 3 days a week. And I felt so good going that I started going at that time 7 days a week. And now it's more of a 6 day a week thing to work out. But, and let me throw this out there too. If you're working out 3 days a week and you never missed, then you can count your weeks as a no missed workout week. But what I did is I started posting on social media and posting every day that I went to the gym. And I did not want to disappoint myself, and I did not want to admit that I failed. Okay, so that's a big one for me. I'm never gonna do something that's gonna harm myself, but if I have to admit failure, I'm really not gonna deal with it very well. So I did not want that to happen. Here's what did happen. A lot of friends my age started messaging me saying, what the heck are you doing? And it evolved into Scho Fit and Scho Fit Nutrition. And it didn't evolve into it that quickly. I do have 4 decades experience in the whole health and fitness world. I started working in health clubs when I was 16 years old. So I can't say that I just all of a sudden said, oh, I should do this. No, I had the background, thought I was never gonna do it again. This is what God had planned for me in getting me healthy, and I'm loving it. So you never know what making changes in your life is going to do for you. So another thing that I did is journaling. I'm a huge journaler. I get up every morning, I spend time with God, I journal everything, and I also wrote down my workouts. I don't have to do that anymore, but for a while I did, and I kept track and paid attention to what I was doing and what I was seeing results with, and that really seemed to help me. And also rally people around you that will support your goals and support your resolutions. Don't have people around you that will say, you can splurge today. You can do this today. You can this today. No, I can't. You can go fail. I'm not gonna go fail. And that's how you have to look at it, okay? Because if they pull you in, you're starting all over. And shame on those people anyway. So anyway, that is all I really want to talk about with resolutions, because like I said, I'm not even a fan. If you need to fix something, start it that day. Don't wait, right? So what is new this week at Scho Fit? So I have a fun fashion top I'm gonna post today. I modeled a really cute top from Styles by Design with I did 4 different looks. I did like a fitness look, and then I did, of course, a few cowboy boot looks, because that's what girl does. So that's gonna go up today, and if you like it, go and join Nadine's group. So I am working on finishing up writing my book on teaching you how to get on YouTube, why you need to be on YouTube. There's even a chapter explaining exactly what I did to start getting sponsors, and it's probably not what you think. And then I also will even have a chapter going over contracts and all that stuff. So everything you need to start your YouTube, grow your YouTube, all that stuff, I just did that with my coaching clients, and I'm putting it in a free book. So you can, there's a form below, and you can enter that, and then as soon as it's available, hopefully by the 15th of January, I will send it to you. I'll be filming workouts for my fitness app, trying to get that out by March 1st. I really thought I could do that January 1st, and we had so many things thrown at us in our world in the last few months that everything did not get done, and we had to prioritize. And I'm not always good at putting things on the back burner, but I'm learning. I'm a work in progress at 58 years old. So I have a makeup over 50 video that I'm gonna post, and it's worth what you pay for it. It's free. So you might like it, you might not. I am thinking about purging my closet and filming it. And just the fact of filming it might hold me accountable to purge and get a bunch of stuff out of my closet, because I still have boxes in the basement I haven't unpacked from the move over a year and a half ago. And I need to go through stuff and just get rid of it. So that may be on my plate this week, and that's that. So, tell me what you want to talk about. I know I asked you that last week and I did not touch on any of those topics. I saw some people threw some things out there I would love to talk about. I'd love to talk about menopause, love to talk about weight loss, love to talk about all those different things. But it's the new year. I wanted to touch on resolutions. I did not want to make this video that long. I'm going to go eat and I'll see you next week. I almost forgot. I did forget. If you want to win a bottle of Scho Fit Nutrition Superior Collagen Full Spectrum Complete, the only collagen that did take my joint pain away, all you have to do is go down to the description, find my email, MarcySchoenborn@gmail.com. Send me an email that says, I want collagen. That's gonna tell me to enter you in the drawing. And then we're gonna see if you win one. We're giving away 100 bottles. Hope you get one.